Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. Cut off part of it, but you're on the hypothesis. It's in 10.5, you're doing hypothesis test. Null hypothesis is variant, standard deviation is 4.2. The alternative hypothesis variance is not equal to 4.2, so it's two-tailed test. Sample size is 15. Sample standard deviation is 5.2. I guess this part B is what you're having trouble with. So where you messed up is you did not square this. That 5.2 is that's standard deviation, and here you got to put in the variance, which means you've got to square that. This is sample standard deviation, and here this is sample variance, and so you got to square that, and the sample size is 15. Now down here, when you showed your example, you did square the 4.2. That's population standard deviation, and they want variance, population variance here, and so you did square it on the discussion board, but you did not square this one. So when you add that, square that one, you see you do, oops, I cut off the screen here, but you do get this correct p-value. Hope that helps.